today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your product tags in Shopify, a powerful e-commerce platform that helps businesses create and manage online stores. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, understanding how to organize your products with tags is essential for keeping your inventory well organized and easily searchable. So let's dive right in. The first step in our process is to go to Shopify. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Shopify's website. Once there, you'll want to log in using your credentials. It's important to ensure you have administrative access so you can make changes to your product listings. With your Shopify dashboard open, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. Look for the tab labeled Products. This is where all your store's products are listed. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page displaying your entire product inventory. Now, it's time to focus on the specific product that needs tagging. Browse through your list and select the product you want to work with. Clicking on the product will open its details page. This page provides a comprehensive overview of the product's information, including its title, description, pricing, and more. Scrolling down the product details page, focus your attention on the right-hand side, where you'll see a section dedicated to tags. Tags are an invaluable tool for organizing your products logically and making them easily searchable within your store. They're particularly useful for collections, sales, or any other categorization that suits your business needs. In this tag section, you'll see a text box where you can input new tags for your product. To add a tag, simply click inside the text box and type the desired tag name. You can enter multiple tags, separated by commas, to help identify and categorize your product more effectively. For example, if you're tagging a summer dress, you might use tags like summer, dress, casual, or any other labels that fit the product. Remember, good tagging practices enhance the shopping experience for your customers by helping them find what they're looking for faster. Once you've input your tags and are satisfied with how you've categorized the product, you're almost done. The final step is to confirm your changes by saving. You'll find the Save button towards the top right of your screen. Clicking this ensures that all the edits you've made, including the tags, are applied to the product. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully tagged a product in Shopify, making it more organized and easier for customers to find. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your Shopify product management. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on optimizing your e-commerce store. Until next time, happy tagging!